but you're rushing life.
Yes.
You want a new iPhone, you want Simanyi bichi, akavirika 1M 2M.
Edda abakazi abayogeranga ebyo abaana batukomeddewo baalinga bakazi batunda midaala abo naga abaganda batukomeddewo. Of course, yes, men do things. I
remember by those.
Yes, batwogereranga
batidde
okitegeera tetwabirinamu nno naye abaana b'ennaku zino kituufu bakomo nga bagenda kukola bintu
ebyo bayiba abawoneza
ge mazima dodo. Girls come back nga bamanyi kiki kyayagala naye I would honestly tell you nti abakyala bano bemwagala okubbako abasajja baabwe, they are busy working, they have other things to do. Kati goba olowoleza mu musajja wooli, then you have a problem in yourself. Check out yourself. Mulekera ebintu by'ekisiru mukole. Holidays zibeera nyimpi, si mpanvu nnyo. Get a job in a supermarket. There is nothing as nice as dodo kuwa emitwalo gy'abiri. Nga zizo nga tolina kyeri muntu akuluusanyiza, simanyanga kukoze biki, nga abiri ganyuma kankule. Even God blesses you from something small. But even if someone gives you 1,000,000 shillings after using you, it will not last. It
doesn't last. Mna somehow obasa ndiziddukawa. Why don't treasure it? I don't know what gets.
I will, Mama Jonah. How much did she get? How much would she be having right now? It's a sentence ziba mukisa. So kanifasha okwemalira obudde n'okwerimba n'okukola ebintu by'ekisiru, I would think mukole ekina kye kiyamba.
Kwana bene kira atekayo n'agamba alaba obwana obuto. Nga bulinga buli mu 18 19 buli mu kirabu bugenze kwetega bonna bwambali.
Ati no 18 togambye nga bakuze. Dodo 16 years. I have a girl I have nurtured this year. I have done everything.
Ateba kweka emyaka.
Omwana yafunye oludamugaba kankwetwale obunaku bwange mu busente bwange obutono. Kendo yige ka skidding ka cake. Omwana yagenze kufuna yolubuto. Naye nga imagine she was at my home not even a month. Ngabuke chikomera to my neighbor's shamba boy. Sabana from all those ages and parents, we want the money. We're going out there to hunt. But have that chemistry with your children.
Yeah. Everything is okay?
Yeah, can start.
Okay. Hi, lovelies. Welcome to Love Life.
Hi, Dodo. Thank you for having me on Love Life again.
I don't even have the energy to introduce her.
Right.
She can introduce herself. Yeah.
Ellah is my name. Thank you so much for being on Love Life.
Yeah.
Mwebale nnyo kubanga sho mujuwadde amaanyi.
Bannange. Tugezaako nno bambi tufuba.
Ayi no right now tuwano nga tukola. Nga olwengenda kugamba olugamba bane ate simusijirina kati awo tugume bali.
Semendiwa.
Ate erabiddeyo.
Nina jirete. Wallahi mbagenda jirete.
Olugamba lubadde tugenda yita.
Kyekyo.
Nja kulukunyumiza edda. Omanyi waffe tetula kusula. Tusula tulogeddeko naye leero luganye yes.
Kati ekirungi mutadde mu.
Baleese
wamma obitegedde. Baleese.
Tobutukiraawo.
Ani golemesa olugambo. Ate waliwo ayiseewo kati ekifaananyi kitadde wano mu bwongo. So I want to first imagine. Is it that person oba kiri muno?
Nedda mukwano. Nze nyongera okuba nga mbuzaako ku bazaala mu baana baabannaabwe ne babeera bina ne balowooza nti nno baba bagenda kuba baggwayo naye nga ba single parents muli kumbona. Am I
loud and clear?
Am I glowing enough?
Right.
Am I glowing enough?
Right. Those men who think that Ubakuzalamu is the end of you.
Munanga abasajja balalo babalowooza nti because azaddemu abaana agenda life is going to be so messy. But there's actually another man or other men that come and they want you so bad and they even want your children.
You know?
And they look after your kids.
True.
Wow.
Waliwo kyendabye ku social media leero kutuko that's a Kenyan thingy platform Kenyan Gundi paper. Next social media nga oli agambye omukazi yasazeewo okuleka omusajja oba whatever wa fiance just because fiance ya rejectinze omwana we ndoza omukazi yagambye kabulinga ne love tojja kummanyira if you can't love my child if you're rejecting my child then this relationship or whatever it is it's over. And I was looking at comments ngamba mama
omanyi Dodo last time we were talking about the same thing guy n'agamba mbu when you date a person with children baba n'ebizibu
John Segawa recently John Segawa
abaana be bafuuse ebizibu
ne bamuyuza ku social media yesterday twamu hosting last on Sunday nagamba he will never date a single mother.
Why?
Because
what reason did he give?
Attention eva ku ye nedda ku mwana number one bw'aba dating you the child and your ex baby daddy.
Why do they ever front the ex baby daddy though?
That's how we put because in his mind they are always in the picture.
Let me tell you oyo nno yali mukama wange twagenda ntukolako when I was in Bakayimbira Drama Actors nange turanye n'ense when Bakayimbira Drama Actors and I was lucky twalina All Stars show with AfriTalent other people.
Yeah.
I met him. He's a very tough man. Is he still tough?
Principled. But nice, Bambi.
Anyways, it is absurd that he even talks about that and says people front men. There are people that close the chapter and they have moved on. So you shouldn't even be worried. If you want somebody and you want them, sit down and have boundaries. Talk about, omwana ono agenda kubeera watya. And especially if you've come into my life and you now have kids. So what do you want me to do? Go and hang myself? Because I was not a coward to run away from my kids. I am raising my children well. Then I don't see how this becomes a fight. Or watch together. And this thing, ekisinga okumbazaringa is bringing in this ex. Taina jakwatirako because nze mbagambe soogera naye chakwara I'm telling you. Unless ngosanze nkukutambo were with some guy from Radio 4. Gagamba abakazi baera n'akasimu akatono ke basabirako obuyambi mbolera abeere eno ncho n'abeere nedda mukwano. Mpozinga n'omuwala gwofunye. Kye nagamba ne luli nti about upbringing na muwala kika kyoyo gwodatinga. Waliwo abantu abatasalawo nga ye ayagala they just play around. But if somebody really wants you, really, why not?
I know.
Wasanga omuntu ng'oli comfortable naye ng'akwagadde.
Abantu banyumidde empombo za yaya.
Nkugambye mu kibira. Kundi out.
Mbadde simutegedde munna. Yoyo wa kando munnange.
Oh.
Sweetly.
Oh. Aje tukole. Aje abuze ku bantu. Abali ku love life. Bamulabe bakakasa.
Bamulabeko ekimuli kibagenda osanga olaba ne kundi shevudde banezo malako.
Nkyatu n'aba tutya.
Let me lose weight. Mwana ina kundisha.
Jangu eno mukwano. Tagenza middle. What's the theme?
I'm going to lose weight. Katono tuse. You're making us jealous.
Yes.
So I should lose weight.
But you've lost weight.
You go went back and now in here it's too big.
No. You've done something nice for yourself.
I hate you.
Love.
Kat tomorrow she's gonna be here. One of the flowers.
I know.
So if you're looking for candles, guys, who you? I never bid. I know how to get. I never bid.
Nedodo engeri binali abanno.
Binali sweetni. Wow. Era banaye kanyongere okuluzinga weight. What? Ale, oyogeze. But you're smart.
So anyways, tomorrow tugenda kujja mu mpombo
za yaya.
Oba tugenda I feel like putting one up Patra actually tomorrow.
Please do. No, when we went to that side, no, like a Patra. What?
I want to do that. As in, I'm just living my life.
But Nange, live your life.
I
actually, that was my first time to see you. When the Patra. Nagamba,
by that time, I was my grandmother still alive. Meanwhile, I lost my grandmother.
Sorry.
Raised me.
Sorry.
Anyone that pisses me off, I don't give you time. It clears off. Then I am just doing me, being me. No. see me in a whole different perspective. Totandika kumbuuza ate abaana no. Ellah, daba era nga era what? So anyways, badde nkyakugamba nti mukama wange oyo alekera okudiscouraging abantu. Si buli muntu nti mubi, ate not everybody that is handling single parenting nti yali yakyeyagalira. No. It happens. Oyinza ogenda n'osanga omuntu nga wampisambi. N'osanga oli afulutanga, you cannot really be together, yet you've had children. They're very good people. Good people. Noonya omuntu avudde mu family efaanana etya, entegera eri etya, tunuulira IQ. That is why there's courtship.
Yeah.
You know, it's not mandatory because we having something, you're gonna kufanange. No, give it a try. Yeah, but don't just judge somebody because they have kids.
Yeah.
Chinyiza nnyo.
Brother Chiruma.
Chinyiza.
Chiringa like I stopped generalizing those things of like all men. Oh, no, not all men.
Not all men, yes.
I would say most, but not
exactly.
all. Exactly. There are still good men out there.
Very.
I think
yeah. There's a guy I know, God have mercy. Talking about men, he dated some chick, nga family yaabwe. You know, these are the kinds of guys that get out now shopping of a family. Eventually they got married. Naye ng'omukyala of course agaba bintu bya kizungu. Ngamutwala vacations. Amanyi omukyala agaba bintu bya kizungu. Yes, ayinza okuba you're not that up there, naye nga you're doing your best.
Yeah.
They moved to Canada. And they got there, ndowooza ng'omukyala ebintu tebigatta naye yafunira mu Canada n'azaala abaana. How would that man curse women? Oyo omusajja omugamba ki ku bakazi?
Okitegeera.
So tutegeera awo ebintu by'okuggeneralizinga. So ko tulira omuntu payine we yava, bw'oba omwagadde mwangawo temwagadde, don't waste their time. Ate don't.
Yeah, sometimes I use those way causing that person to change.
Yes.
I just have to try to no, he's the one who did me wrong.
Actually, that is even if you want to know. Enough speed. So we have a lot to deal with, really.
True.
Yeah. But if you the kind that wants to dig, then look at this side and look at the other side, then probably be the judge. Trouble in actual now. Yeah.
Olugamba mukwano gatabagenda kutokera kumuzaaza. Olugamba ekyo lubadde genda ku.
Luli mbadde ngenda okugamba.
Oluyiseewo.
Andikuteereko. Dodo.
Ndeka kubuza ekibuuzo. Kwanga dad. Olugamba luluyinzita banna.
Kwesana endugera tujja genda we abantu sinaganchawa nako
baako nange sina entalo nzirwana ne waloze sagala kulwana. Nyenze byokunjuzayiza ku social media si.
Chemana ngenda okunyumiza nga tuli ku camera ngamba oh god.
Olwo nega tetulusuubula.
Sagala
tulwesonyiwe.
Etugenda kujja bafu mu ntaana tandika oh god no.
Nzogenda mwezi mulamba.
I know.
So, Ellah, I saw something that I think I sent it to you. I was in awe. It's not the first time though. Now, for starters, at first, I was seeing videos about this circulating. That was last week. 2 of them. One lady, Bamulaga, she was being proposed to in public. I think it was some sort of a party. So she looks at this guy in disgust.
The one proposing the two. Wow.
But the guy didn't do anything. He didn't look. I think you're controlling anger, but then I just imagined the shame and everything. So walked off. So people judged in a way. You know what? We understand. Maybe what to see me if you're going to reject a proposal, reject, but don't slap someone. That is so bad. So chicken avenue was like, you guys, you don't know why I was pissed. I was pissed because first of all, we were still in a talking stage. You don't know, meeting Bulunji dating. Until someone is coming with a ring. No, that means there's an agenda. Don't slap someone. Another video surfaced. I think that was I think yesterday. Oh man, I don't remember. These people, a restaurant, whatever they were. Gaya for kamide.
Nakuzi abaana bokola bakola ebintu bannange nze bitiisa
nangamba bannange tokuva muno naye oba akaringo oba kali cheap gwe okalaba naye oba nga you were just having fun oba nga omulyalyamu nga it was serious
oyogedde akantu ng'omulyalyamu
abange babagala ennaku zino balyalyamu
tabiyiga
nabo they detach ate gwe n'omulemera kunagamba no feelings nogamba
boundaries
feelings
ate nga munnange ye alookinze
anti bwe buzibu novayo ne wejjayo bwoba omulemeseza
olaba ebintu edda abakazi bwe balabanga nga balina that feel you're going to date her be with her akwesibeko bwe batutwalanga nti wali tubeesibako abakyala ne bayiga kati kirabika I don't want to judge a woman, definitely.
Love detachment.
But slapping, I also do not support slapping. If it's too much for you, I want to be narcissists. I have ever seen somebody that is a narcissist. I will not talk to you. Please do not call me. They will be in your face. You will find flowers in your office. They are narcissists, let me tell you. Maybe the woman was also really disgusted. Probably they had talked about this thing.
It's the same pattern.
Like, wake up, snap out of it. I am not doing anything extra with you.
I'm tired of you.
Yes. And then, this thing, guys, you're doing, if I don't like you, if we don't like each other, the chemistry shows.
Most men fear, I understand, most men fear rejection.
But which is they
can't believe that you can say no.
I can say no. I'm allowed to say no. It's not mandatory that because you bought a ring, I should say yes.
And baby Coco,
this is a flying kiss, though.
Coco, you watch and Papa kiss of. Bwatyo katali kuswetini ndakulabanga ako fucking shit.
So we come back because man I know.
I'm guilty.
I know. Atayinza kukusanga.
Sobola kutandika wano katano.
Ayinza kukusanga nga olina kyokola nakumanyi n'atakujjaayo. Badde alina okusikayo. So, but anyways, I was still talking about guys that are doing the proposing. Especially when
men fear rejection, they think also a bagana. That's number one. Number two, they think, and because they have this thing of like, when you sleep with me, because that's a narrative, they instantly there's gonna be feelings. But then remember the moments like wotuka wala wotuka ngapena kale noji wala wotuka no uliranga I think you're tired. You just want to have fun. I mean, I've done you that, but then you have to feed your body or whatever. You're just there. Your body's there, but your heart, your mind is not really there. You know? Kati bo gira mu no ban no duka no tamudi no ban no tadamu kwata simu ya. Yeah. No, it's okay. Anela siya ye pax njamugamba. What's up? Hi. How are you?
Hi.
Nice to meet you. Hey, Atwakia, eh? This is beautiful.
Right now, he's doing the one project because apparently the birds in Uganda are disappearing. Cutting down trees and now we are losing our birds. So he's the only person
that has the proper info
to draw the 50 birds that are going on. So he's at one. He's ready to
I'm going to look for you. I'm going to get it after here. Togere naye kubanga mama twagala manya lwatu project. Yeka mu Uganda.
Ekirungi ayogedde.
What is
the bird. You know, birds also have two legs. When the birds girls, the birds buds.
Biduka mu Uganda
Nandi bana bina ebigere bibiri kati simanyi ku byonna byabadde ategeeza.
olemwa. So kungambe. So when they think we can't hit and run. Chibaluma. Kati bye binakulemerako nakuba essimu. Bannanga te bani bali mu kwongeza.
Producer. Basobe batukenderezeeko katono.
Bagaye batukemeza bwoba bongezaamu ki.
So anyways, to add on to that Dodo, abaana ab'obuwala baayiga ekintu kimu ebintu by'okwesiba ku musajja because he was good to you, you know, they do things to entice you, he'll take you shopping, do all those nice things just for that one night and move. So imagine you find a girl that has had those heartbreaks for over 10 people. Rose agenda kufuuka ki?
Tired.
Thank you. Naye agenda kufuna ekyo ekitima nga tachina attachment that
nga
thing.
She doesn't care.
Exactly. Nga tachina attachment on anything. Nga feeling bwebeze ajja kunoonya. Ate babere now. Me, I know we usually go out and see someone saying, this guy has nice. This one just time wasting.
Nga naye
Naga kankubire gundi. Beba bituyigiriza. Waberanga nga 10 mu simu zaabwe ng'amanya nti kaakati wabeera awo ng'ali mu injury asooka n'akubira gundi taliiwo ono ninamu emitwalo gyange 10 onajjajjikiriza ono wakakadde wakumenywa ne batugradinga ne tuyiga bannange.
So nafe mwatuyigiza you taught us. Ate kibaluma ate for us we know we do it better.
Ate for a man nga bw'ogambe with that ego they do not want to accept defeat.
They love competition. How?
Ayinza n'okutunda ebibyo byonna just to prove a point. Naye nga you're proving a point to a woman. Omukazi ye muntu, I always tell people nti omukazi tomukanganga. Like coming to startle you from behind. Asobola okutta. Okitegeera. Kati omukyala bw'omusanga alina omutima ogwo nga gukalubye, mukwano aba yakaluba omutima. It will take a lot to break that person. So, me, I think perhaps she had told this person, maybe let's give it a try. Ono nabiteekamu akajanja kangi nnyo, n'ayongezaamu, n'ojja ne mu public to embarrass, because I would call it an embarrassment. We've not, yes, probably, maybe I'm just doing something a little with you. It doesn't mean I've already said yes. For you to bring a ring, it's disgusting.
True.
Omuntu akwesibyeko Dodo. Owuliranga akutamye, you're like, okay, now, how did I get here?
I know. No blocking, nafune namba endala.
Simu endala, n'amanya w'obeera, n'akugoberera, n'amanya mikwano gyo. Oh God.
N'amanya w'okolera flowers, simanya gifts, nkuteereddeko lunch. You're like, yo, come on. And now for you might think that you're trying to impress me, you're actually irritating me. You're pushing me away.
Exactly that word. You irritate somebody, n'atuuka okwevuma. N'agaana ego ono yabulwa, like, what's up?
There's a guy I gave a number to recently. Now, because normally I give it to you if I know it's business. I was very clear. Is it business? That was on TikTok. Facebook, TikTok. Guy clearly said it's business. I said, fine. Name number. Nemugamba, you know what? WhatsApp me and tell me what sort of business it is, and then we talk and see if we can, come up. When messages over, it's okay.
Yeah.
Ellah. Hello, Doreen. Konze, hello. This is so and so because I know I gave you my number. So what's the business? Mbanya tugenderewo.
Nkumanyi.
Omanyi.
Nkumanyi mukwano. I
don't want right.
Like people didn't. Okay.
I don't want style.
I know.
Like what do you?
Olaba ogobole yatuwe ekikumi. Dodo. Ekikumi kyaffe wakiteeka wa.
Okitegeera. Nice
to have
principles, but sometimes it just
when you're not rushing for nothing, people are here crying.
But I don't rush.
I'm going to papa teriyo kalungi. Teriyo kalungi. It is okay. It is fine.
So, hello. My name is so and so. I've always wanted to talk to you. I'm so happy. We can meet and talk over business. I thought we're talking about business, right? Now I'm saying coffee. Coffee. What do you mean by coffee? First, tell me the type of business I see if we can meet. Bandi awa bifanani. This is how I look like. Kifanani kizze kunziba Nange. Nange ali mu suit. Guma mukawo ndingamba naye omusajja ono. I am nkola obwa lawyer. Nina ne business endala gye nkola.
Lawyers, doctors, gynecologists. Oh God. Bana profession ya mwabazede mwabateeka mu sente musomera ate mufuuse ebyeneena. Oh God.
Side businesses, Musmanya Boba Yagala lighting, Boba Yagala Smanya, I do gypsum ceilings, I do Smanya.
A lawyer.
A name by a side business. Now this is a side business, right? So I'm like, is this a business you want me to push? We have to meet. Hi, Adam money.
Alright, just that shows how irritated
I
you
was.
were.
Nagameba yene did badege no kujanga it was side business ngo yagadde kutandikire nga you excited I belonged. For my peace. I am not going to entertain you to be friends. But we're supposed to be because of friends who how? No,
friends
I don't mix business with pleasure. Friends how? We are supposed to be friends, but it doesn't mean that I want friendship but take about here. Yes, we're gonna do.
But in what sense of being a friend?
Exactly.
Meet you on social media and you want to be my friend? How? On what grounds?
Nah.
Tulina business ntino kale mnange 1% nyingi nezinkolera ekintu nja kujjukira high, but you want to be friends with me?
How?
People are crazy anyway. Nagambye dodo abantu balina ekikyamu. This is a society we're moving in. I don't know about the statistics and all those things, but trust me, abantu bongedde okugwa eddalu. Oli omusanga atambula ayogera eka, oli avuga emotoka, and you see things are doing well. Naye bw'otuula naye bw'owulira reasoning capacity, nebyayogera, you're like, oh my God, how did I end up sitting with this person? Or what kitegeera? Abantu baradde, omuntu abeerawo ng'ali ku social media, and they're not doing anything. Now there's a era nange Facebook. Abantu abasinga ku Facebook agenda mu VPN tebagikozesa. But there are those complicated names, I don't know how to read them. Someone calls you ng'akola online. When you accidentally pick your phone, someone undresses in your face. Oh God, Dodo. Tonda bwabwe na old man. Musajja mukadde like 80 years. I said, God
Nakunamira. Nga wachigudde.
Nankubekisira najjeke sima just blocks and say, abantu balalu. Oyinza okwesanga naye yali agudde eddalu nga netamanyi abantu babeerawo nga balina hyper bali ki.
Ku messenger batama.
Webale.
Last week, mtampereza message. Because sometimes I go through abamba bampereza ebizibu byabwe, maybe sometimes ogamba a number.
You hide.
Ngeno kubikula message ng'oli ampereza oguntu gwe bwe.
Oh God, have mercy, Lord God. I thought it was only happening to me. But let me tell you, people are delusional.
Nembulookinga. Omulala yankubidde yesterday, but I didn't pick. Nze sikwata ku messenger sagala kumanyira. I always decline. So when I declined, why are you calling me? Are you okay? In your mind, are you okay? Can you text? Mbo no. Mbo you pick up. We pick up and we do video call and smanya mbo I show you porn things. Oh my God, what is going on with a stranger? You showing me.
Well, let me tell you guys out there, there are those people that get entertained. Look for girls probably at campus, those kids you can play with. But the people you wouldn't do. There's a time I was with Bina and she was telling me of someone that sent her a message telling her, I want to see you. I can give you this money and we have something going on. And I'm like, do you even know the person you have approached? And in what manner?
For WhatsApp ye yabyetugamba awo last
week. Waliwo abaana babeera excited. I will not mention anybody, but waliwo abaana neebola ba.
Kane 200 akuwa.
Webale. Nga akujjamu.
Nakuweereza bitundu byoyagala byonna.
Naye tunuulira omuntu bane mutu okukitiibwa. Ate mutusukkako.
Bamanyira. Anze whoever calls me on Messenger, block immediately. I don't even pick. Bamanyira. The audacity.
Abantu beeyambulira ddala ku masimu nwaga kiki kino. Natunuulidde omuzeeyi ne ngamba
yabadde mu muzungu yabadde
I don't know babeera baki. Balina amannya gabeera mu Warabu. Yes, mu Warabu. Nga muzeeyi yenna ayina I said God have mercy, like why did you do that? Tasobola kwogera lulimi tasobola naye nga yakyamanyi kaneyambule olaba tagudde eddalu
okuba bisiraani nga walabye sinde
kwesiramu era nze simanyi namalako mu luwombo mu mpombo z'omukibira. Oh God. Yankuba ekipati.
I know. So about the proposing bit now, we are flipping the coin. Lady, nails down. That's the second lady I'm seeing. Well, I didn't get all this year. So did she die? Did she die? I'm trying to go. Can I really nail down? Can I propose Doreen? And then I'm again yesterday on TikTok. Did you see she didn't die? And the man said yes. I'm thinking about. Can I do that? So I go purchase a ring. Just because you're taking your time. Yeah, I'm ready for you. You're dilly darling. I don't know whether you have money or not, but I feel like no. The angular ring. Then I know. It didn't make sense to me. So would you do that? Okay,
let me tell you.
If it works for you, but how do I start?
Abantu abasomye nnyo boonooneka obwongo. Ekyo kimanyi too much of anything is bad. So people do not still want to believe we're in Africa. We Africans, for crying out loud, that things we're not supposed to do as Africans.
Borrowed trends, borrowed cultures.
Thank you. Ate tutandise okisusa. Oba kitegeera Dodo. If a man is with you and he's not taking the step as the man, it shows he's not ready to go to that step. Why do you push a man? A man should be a man. A man is a protector. Like Andrew said, there's this side of the bed a man sleeps. I'm not forcing you to kujukira biri ebyedda. Maybe ayina mu kopu sense. A man sleeps on some side of the bed.
Yeah. It's
mandatory. African way. Omukyala bamu proposingira, then she will take that man ewaabwe to see the senga. There is that line. Ati omusajja, when you propose, is it going to be like the Indian style?
No, you're going to pay.
It is disgusting. I wouldn't even come and tell a guy, hey, I think I like you. I will not dodo. I can't. Whenever someone can walk to me and say,
your heart, eh?
Yeah, you said this guy looks good, but I will not take the step. And somebody comes and approaches me, it's not just because you're a man and you come and talk to me, and then I'll say yes, or maybe I will also have my standard of saying no. But how do I cross the line of proposing to a man? I think my family would bury me alive.
Because I have a feeling you're going to be pushing through and through. You understand?
We Africans,
you're going to be
we have a way we're supposed to do things that is not right.
I know.
And especially if you're black, even if you're black American, it would feel nice. How do you tell your friends I went and proposed to this guy? Bajja kusunga. Bana mutu ebyokwogerako. Omukitegera Dodo.
Beba tutankuula.
Tujje tubabuulira ate ne butawuliriza. Beba n'abaana abaleetedde abasajja okufuuka abasiru n'abalenzi. A man will be a boy. Basajja bano be boonoonye ne batuuka okubanga bazaala mu baana b'abantu ne babalekawo kubanga bamanyira these boys of he would sit there and send you a message, and so many celebrities. Hi Ellah, how are you? Can you please buy me some airtime?
Yeah.
A man sending me a message. There's one that called me last week. So I thought maybe, what's up? Are you at work? Nemgamba, yes. I want to see you. There's a burning issue. Nemgamba, okay. Nemgamba, what's up? Batya, I was talking to Coach Sarah Nagamba. I felt so bad. Someone called me. Ngalimo mental state. Nafa. I didn't know what they were calling me. So
not picking up.
Exactly. So now let me just listen to this person. When I picked the phone, going, you know what, Ellah, now I have some financial issues. We've never talked about money. How do you start discussing your financial issues with me? Simanyi, now I went and paid something. Can you please come out for me? I'm like, I don't even have that money. Okay, how much can you give me? How much have you ever given me?
For starters.
Exactly. How much have you ever given me? How did we cross to the line of you feeling comfortable to call me to discuss your issues with me?
Money.
Money. And how much can you give me? And you're literally insisting. Kakati mbuliro omusajja tagenda azaale mu baana b'abantu abule baagala abakazi abakola alaba you're looking good, you're working, things are moving on well with you. Ntandika okubabysittinga, guys, please go back and breastfeed and get some sense in your heads. If a woman comes and proposes to you, can't you just be man enough and say, you know what, just take your time. Okay, don't embarrass somebody in public. I can did it down maybe and smile. Okay, it would be very hard for me to smile. I'll be disgusted and I'll walk out. But I would maybe walk out nicely, then block you. Yes.
If you are that man.
If you are my brother or my friend and you tell me a woman came and proposed to you.
And I said yes.
You wouldn't be my friend anymore because you're not man enough.
Like a lady,
I believe a man should be a man. To have a mulubidis run.
I know. Because naturally a man is supposed to be a hunter.
Do you know what happens after that? Do you know what happens after that? Go proposing it Saja. You're going to literally it shows you're going to be the man. Kati buli kimu ogenda chikola. Oyino genda akwanjule ewaabwe omukube embaga ozimbe nyumba omulabirire. Exactly. They should be thinking about that. True. Don't just look at the picture of bringing a ring to excite the people, the public, giving us things to talk about, but think about all those things. Would you be proud to see your daughter doing that?
I don't know why most ladies up to now, the ring excites us. I don't know.
Well, Simanyi, no, I don't know which women know nowadays. Because we are working so much. We are building our homes. We're driving our cars. And these things of bufumbo.
Apart from abasoka bagala wano. The ring asoka chamuke. So whatever ring. Chechi viraka like no pushing omuntu golaba omuntu golaba mbuno omutakulachi. Golaba tavayo. Then you keep pressuring them. Like in my mind you feel if you've dated someone for a long time, let me say 10 years, golaba tavayo java. I think as you don't have to pressurize a man. A man is a man and he knows what he wants. A man will have 10 women. Nenga amani kuba 10. So do not get it twisted. Yeah, they told me you don't have to do anything for a man.
No, you don't.
Don't break your back.
You don't impress a man.
You can't.
You can't give him anything he wants. Yeah, ba man chayagala. Omusajja aleko omukyala mu bulidi gwe yawasempita n'agenda n'abeera ne maid. Those men.
You can date a guy for years. No man for like let me say 12 years. Space of 1 year.
They've pushed women to finding comfort because I would know what would hurt me. I wouldn't do it to you. In a whole different way. See, I'm not supporting it, but omuntu are finding a comfort because to comfortable.
Yeah. Then again, Nange is very, very gross. Like, how dare you? Just like fighting for a man. Again. No. Omukazi yatuuka bakoledde omukazi bamiroza mukazi ndoza nabi akola ebirala nza n'agamba nimanyi nedduuka noonya omukozi agira akola sajja n'agamba no problem ate omukazi gwe yaleeta nga kumbe kantuki oba ziba instincts zaffe baki omukazi yakomawo from God knows where gye yali gy'afa n'agamba bulijjo the fight.
Yali yakamanya dda.
Ndoza yakamanya.
All these people when I at the shop ngamba ojja kugula auto gulewo nga baseka batunula.
Ndagamba fuluma omumpe kapito wange n'ebintu bizemba vire. Nga kasajja no kali ago.
Bukabasikayo bekakola batya ebanaga bakazi tugenda kweswaza. Zabasenga bange one thing I would my family would bury me alive if that happened, proposing to a man. And then
fighting for a man.
Because
I know they do us wrong. I know. I don't think I would kulumba.
I wouldn't.
That's betrayal. I know. Okay,
well, I how to deal with pain. Now we are driven by the anger. Never call ebintu bingi. Na yembyo nasinga kiba kituseeko wekakanya osinga. Amanya teyogeddete yejjusa because omuntu abagamba haya ndikoze kino. Olaba takikoze. But wotukira omukyala okubanga okoze business katonda nakublessinga you have another job oba tokyalinayo beewammwe boyinza okuga nti jangu kale nkimayi kali akaana keeri nkateeke wano kubanga a man will betray you on that time you will not believe yourself. Let me tell you, that is just the fact. Nzimbe nyumba yange ndesemu omusajja, what do you expect? Nti ajja kutunuuliranga in cahoots your what do I call it? You're competing with this person.
Yeah.
So for them, when you compete with them, he will relax and look at you take on the game.
So he will leave naturally.
He will leave your home. Then he will go to his resting place. You know, they usually have those resting places and be with these other people. Kakati okende kumacho oguze motoka dodo, you're giving it to your man to drive avugemu komnaga nti omusajja wange. This is the same thing this woman did. A mistake. It's a mistake. I will be honest. When you do your businesses, especially sidekicks, I've been encouraging women here. Look for land. You can build a house. It doesn't necessarily mean to have your things. Learn to shut up with your things. Do your things on the side and keep quiet. Because nkyagenda kwekyo sojja lowooza mwagadde nnyo mugambe ngere byeri byatagamba. So in your crazy mind, how do you do a business? Now udom chagama pack up to wange yenna. Ebishiri byange byonna. Ayina abaana abatedde wano wabwere kali kamugamba. Ayinza n'okuttira obwerere bane temunoonya bigenda kubatta.
I looked at these poor souls. They're looking on there like
because it's going to traumatize them. Olaba abaana bino ebintu byolaba abaana ebafuuka sinti babifuuse kuba babyagala. Ne bikijjanga kimufollowinga nabwe. What happened on that day? Why did this happen? Bajjukira. Exactly. So at the end of the day, they will still do the same things. Yeah. So honestly, women, amanyi gampeddemu naye kino kibeere ekyokuyiga. You go and work and send money to these boys. Then you start fighting. When you come back here, you're making noise for us. I need help. You're in our inboxes. Learn to do your own businesses and stay where you are. Yeah. If you don't have this man, I don't have Serena. Women, when you just touch that sport, excitement, they get too excited. Yeah. No, ola sent na msaba sent na kuwa. Okay, I'm in love. And men usually do that. Ask your friends, you back. Now I have this issue. Every time temina bikola, be a woman. People heartless. Do ebintu by'abakyala balina okukola.
True. People heartless. No sasula loan gyotali ako ya.
Omukyala osanze omusajja n'omukyala omulala, you're fighting, you're pulling ropes, you're doing what? Ladies, tuddeyo kali tubeere abakyala nti toyina kuwaabuuka nnyo. When you're talking someone should not even look into your mouth. Toyina kubeera mu ebyo. Funa wewakakkanyiza obeere omukyala osirike. Learn how to give up. Learn how to say kino kyagaanye. Accept defeat. Obulamu bugenda kunyuma.
By the way,
look at the glow.
The moment, right?
Look at
how
the
you're
glow.
glowing. Like the moment, but I wish you know, like, like, don't force someone to love you. I learned my lesson. Like, competing. Good luck. That's her luck. My years. Exactly. I mean, what am I supposed to do? Bikulume.
Because of money, you're going to tell me, and then I'll be forced to ask you tomorrow, how are you feeling? Are you okay? There's some things you should just let go. Someone you've been dating, they've betrayed you. It's okay.
I know. It hurts, but you move on. By the moment you accept, you don't somehow, somewhere, you'll still breathe. You will.
Exactly. So, toyina kufiira wonnyo.
Bambi tolemeza.
Zo basigwa mkamange nga togenda kunsasula mkwano ne bukola ki. Esazi no katika sente ensonga.
Sente tukanjaga nnyo sente nagane munamvu njagala sente.
Sente dodo. Sente.
Muko wenze mulete sente. Yeah.
Webale.
So you bring money, I'll look at you. You bring money, I'll breathe.
ate not sente because you want
The same-
to kummanyira, but sente for work.
Exactly. I mean,
Big business
what
on the table, tukole, tugabane obwongo, kigwe.
that's what I keep telling people. Give me money, but I want to work for that money.
True.
Like that fool of
Zinyuma.
yatuuka naraising ne sente nangamba 20M naye okumulaga one. I'm pleasuring myself and stuff like that. First never tabela. That money is tempting. Naye I want nangamba. Anyway, I know you look for me. My number is Simanyi. Instantly, I would have been your under by the way, I'll be your go-to friend anytime. You need a loan anytime. You need help. It's tempting. My friend told me that whether your face is there, whatever, you know what I'm exposing, but it's what they call sex magic. Sex magic. I looked at my private person ngaziri musabo. Nengamba God forbid. Kabulengane said,
wow. There's a lot you need to do discoveries for. There's also akakapia.
Bakatwala mbuntu bungabuli musabo ngobali bwebuti wabyo baba bakwayambulira ko batya nemmanya. Abana yoko bakasabuni musabo nze nemmanya mukwano.
Kasabuni
kwayambulira ko. Sex magic I googled nengamba.
You know, when I cut off my hair, it was up to down here. Nengamba.
What are you with your dreads?
Nengamba. Zitunde.
Auntie Mnaga, do you know like each strand? It depends on the way. On Bagama, it depends on the length and also the
on the thickness of the
thickness.
Nengamba. This is hair.
Yeah.
This is hair. Like, what if someone does something to me? Someone said when you go to South Africa, they can rub your hair off you, they make you sleep. I would rather somebody steal my hair, but than me selling my hair because Simanyi is genda kugenda. So now I think it comes back to that magic.
I think so. Was it Erika?
Just Emperorlando cut off his hair. Naziteka mu nyumba we but.
Nezegawe yatugamba ziri somewhere.
Muntu abako kamu. I even feel like burning my hair.
I know. And then I feel sorry for these ladies, and they've been saying it like the energy jabateka munga mbosmanyambo. Mologa Abasaja, what are you doing? Obsajja kwagale omulisa osimanya ogenda musabo mbumbu bakola kibe yambula beraguza ene buli mu life ye.
I don't get jambuza. I don't know what they do there, but those things you saw them when you're growing up on Nigerian movies. Surprise, okay, I think I just hope Biagwayo, but I wouldn't do that.
But they do it. Bagam no mbumbu no tambula. What are we going no tambula ko?
O tambula ko le chito tambula nebigere bulijjo. Just bantu kwewunza. Let me tell you, omuntu akwagala
with there's something that shines on you. Then when a man sees you, like Ellah.
Ani ekikugambe ekyo nandigeze tugeze nsho abandazire kwenzifuna nafugabira ko tekiriyo. Women that do those things really in this day and age, this era where we have to work so hard, do research on different things, learn, we have different courses to do online. I always tell people that especially abali in abroad omanyi be basinga okulaba buli kantu akabawo ayinza n'okuweereza mpola ntola nakutegera naye nga ye yagategedde. You can also use that time, go to Ericsson courses, upgrade. I saw Megadi.
Upgrading it.
But I'm like, wow. Abantu bazene basoma ne bava mbine ebyekisiru mve bintu byekisiru bokute sente ogenda loga musajja sima bichi ndira ne bibu nange
tegeko emikisa bakuwe sente
bwana ko nomula nencha na mugenda kufa mujano mutukabire ngumuso omuganda yakuliridde nayo akugaka tuyitegeyo akulye ojano tukabire nga to make matters worse, and you get stuck, and we have to talk about you, and they take you to hospital, and you're stuck with the witch doctor.
But Nange, I can imagine, Bambi.
Imagine Dodo is stuck with Amusa Muganda.
God forbid, I cancel in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Hey.
So, anyways, it's a joke. I'm laughing at it.
No, I know, but
it is crazy. Those things big Nigeria. Try and reflect. Maybe they work, but do they last? Did anybody ever last with those things? It shows you it's just everything is vanity. I think I have to gain that fans. But My grandma tugenda kufa. I want to buy a beautiful car. You give me 20 million shillings. You're embarrassing me. On money there, you're humiliating me. I'm still going to die. I'm not even going to check that car. I would rather be happy. Chenagambye nanze wenna jano mchibira cha yaye. My grandmother. Because I looked at her home, that is so beautiful. They built it with all the love and the husband. There is no one at home. Now I'm also in my home. I cannot leave mine to go and stay in hers. Chukulaga chinti. Vanity. Tewali nnyo kiyinza kutuuza kwemazaamu nnyo kutuuka ku level eyo.
Yeah.
Just be happy. Waba takwagadde. Look for somebody else. Somebody else will love you.
Yeah.
But you cannot go to an extreme of looking for medicine to make somebody get. They'll still wake up from that dream.
True.
And dump you and in a bad way. Yeah, so.
Nange, as we wrap up, Nange, girl child, Nange, ngabatabuse ennaku zino, the lazy ones, ngabo bagamba, like that lifestyle. I know, baje gomba, ne waliwo yagamba, tumanyi, olije wegoma lifestyle bebelaba, ayina motoka mpya, ayina apartment ya mayi, kwe tumanyi jabijja. Yagenda kulaga kiwono kyo yagala olaba. Naye, I don't know why we don't want to work as girls. Ane yatugamba mbuno. So you think that your cook is going to actually solve all your problems, and up to now, people still think that your cooking, girls actually think that my cook is going to finish all the problems. Then
Tekiwaki abaana bobola bakyalina ebizibu bingi nnyo. Ojjukira wange twali twogerako last time eyafuna a bad stench. But she was in a bar. She bumped into this guy nga mweru nnyo namugulira drinks as he was going out of the bar namwa 2 million shillings. Then she came back like omujjukira Jacob gwe yayogerako tukyafuna n'ebizibu ebifaanana bwe bityo lwansonga tetwagala kukola dodo tukano tukola abaana bava mu nnyumba saawa zino
early 20s n'ogamba you people aren't you supposed to be in universities.
Exactly. Naye nga baabivaako because baagala bino ebintu ebiri quick. There's a guy I know who were talking about him yesterday. I don't know him, but we've been asking us, the guy has a very long flat, like it's big. But buli muntu azimbako afa, like the boys that come obukolako obuvubuka bafa. Yes, it happens kankubulira abantu balina ebizibu byabwe dodo. People have a lot going on. Something like that. He drives a very old Caribou. Very old Caribou. Bobo Musazi, you wouldn't even think he's the owner of that. Exactly. So, what am I saying to the girls? It's going to be a long holiday.
Yeah. That's why I was saying that. Yeah, because wala bakawdeka trending, wana yakajena kaba abana bakikomawo holiday tukomawo ku Abasaja bamwininga bo.
Ndozo bule byekifiro. Ojjuka dodo kyenali gambye nti abaana babeera mu secondary school. Olaba abaana babeera mu secondary school.
Bade manyi ehanginze.
Abaana babeera mu secondary school. Dodo nga bamanyi ebintu nakugamba there's a kid I was looking after for my friend. Nga mwadde mu kusimo. Nga ina byawereza mu nurse, my water, you do this, you cannot be like this. Mwana senior 4. Hey. Abana bamanyi ebintu. But it's going to be a long holiday, girls, young girls. Listen to me. Nebe nogenda bikola, naye manye kiseera kituuka, n'obikoowa. What's going to happen to you nga bamaze left, right, ng'oli bwe bati.
You can no longer close that area.
Exactly. How many men do you want to open yourself for?
Right.
Is it china chechukwongerako ennyo? Bw'otunulamu you're going to be this pan agenda kwa 200,000. By the time you get to your home, you probably have like 120,000. Right. Is it worth your body? Bagambia one about Harrison courses. Yeah. It's holiday. Let me tell you, there's nothing as powerful as knowledge. Upgrade. True. Make use of the time.
True.
Muzadde wale sewo Wi-Fi waka. Do some research. Read.
True.
Nayo genda anti because tewaliimu kalungi kankubule I grew up with so many cousins of mine. I was the youngest. By the time they came back from secondary, I would come back in holidays. Ngabayina would not see this one road for him. We say jumping the fence to go out. Jodo, I am not that old, but natuke kati nefuga. Nenyingira obuli waine nebaka. Tewali nnyo kyandimbuusizza kikomera. Kambabule there is a lot of time ogenda kutuuka batugamba nga okay mujja kwebaka yes, life is hard, but it's not worth for you to jump over the fence. Ogenda tuuka ekiseera nga wabikolakola dde wandibadde obikolera nga wabikoowa. Ate nga yewandibadde the right time. There's always the right time for everything.
But you're rushing life. You want a new iPhone. You want Simanyi biki akavirika 1M 2M.
Edda abakazi abayogeranga ebyo abaana batukomeddewo baalinga abakazi batunda midaala abo naga abaganda batukomeddewo. Of course, yes, men do things. Yes, batwogereranga okitegeera tetwabirinamu nno naye abaana b'ennaku zino kituufu bakomo nga bagenda kukola bintu ekyo mazima dodo. Girls come back nga bamanyi kiki kyayagala naye I would honestly tell you nti abakyala bano bemwagala okubbako abasajja baabwe, they are busy working, they have other things to do. Kati gwoba olowoleza mu musajja wooli, then you have a problem in yourself. Check out yourself. Mulekera ebintu by'ekisiru mukole. Holidays zibeera nyimpi, si mpanvu nnyo. Get a job in a supermarket. There is nothing as nice as dodo kuwa emitwalo gy'abiri nga zizo nga tolina kyeri muntu akuluusanyiza simanyanga kukoze biki nga abiri ganyuma kakule. Even God blesses you from something small, but even if someone gives you $1 million shillings after using you, it will not last. It doesn't last. Mna somehow basante zidukawa. But don't trust it. I don't know what gets. I will Mama Jonah. How much did she get? How much would she be having right now? It's a sentence mukisa. So kanufasha okwemalira obudde n'okwerimba n'okukola ebintu by'ekisiru, I would think mukole ekina kye kiyamba. Kwana bene kira atekayo n'agamba alaba obwana obuto. Nga bulinga buli mu 18 19 buli mu kirabu bugenze kwetega bona bwambali. Ati no 18 togambye nga bakuze. Dodo 16 years. I have a girl I have nurtured this year. I have done everything. Atema kweka emyaka. Omwana yafunye oludamugamba kankwetwale obunaku bwange mu busente bwange obutono kendo yige ka skidding ka cake. Omwana yagenze kufuna yalubuto. Naye nga imagine she was at my home not even a month. Ngabuke chikomera with my neighbor's shamba boy. Sabana from all those ages and parents, we want the money. We're going out there to hunt. But have that chemistry with your children. Talk to your kids. Mubive mbine ebintu bya sente kankubule kuba ogenda genda ozinoonya bakubire ng'omwana afunye obuzibu nga zino z'obadde ononya kye zigenda kuyamba. Ensi eno mugenda gaana ogamba abaana ebintu naye ng'ate ensi yabibagamba dda. It is okay if probably they lost their virginities and you don't know, but talk to them about safety. Keep talking to them. Do not give up. This holiday, come back. Talk to them. Talk to your children. Get them busy. Yeah. Toleka mwana nasimanga because my brother is at home man. People do things to our children. Kankubule ngo yagale obunse jikowe put cameras ewuwe nga tezirabika. Ojja kutya ensi eno. So don't leave your kids with people you do not trust. Don't even trust anybody. Ebyo musaka mbatwaleke ewagundi tomanyi bibeerayo. Don't. Abaana bamwe mbeere n'abensi weeri wano yakambuwala. Ensi nkambwe dodo tekyaseka. Abantu balwadde. Abantu balina obulwadde bw'emutwe, not even just HIV. Mentally. Abantu abaana basanga. Now, there's a girl we're talking about at the hospital. I know a cancer of the uterus and how it moves by now. I'm dating this person. Now he can also leave me and date this person. But because cancer of the cervix moves with the man being with you, and he can also spread to somebody else. But you know, kids in schools now have it. By now, that's cervical cancer. Can you imagine? They do. So let us try to protect the children, the girl child more. So yes, the boys, but the girl child because chiba kigenda kutula mu gwengo omuzadde. So tuongere okubanga tufa kubana. Kale. Sancho, and single mothers keep looking good. The glow. There's a mom, she doesn't care anymore. I do not give a damn. She puts on skimpy things. Ayagala okakasenchaje. Mugabambuza, I will sing a single mother. Yes, I am. But I'm a single mother. We know kwambala ebintu twesiaba ensi yabakuba kuba dambu binaga bintu. Chani ya mulimba ngomuntu eno bongo wasoma chaga abazadde afa kusomeseza bwerere. Go out and work and look after your children. Right. And we look good and those men out there get enticed and they want to look after your own children. So Chibalume. Hey. Thank you so much, guys. So guys, let's meet Mpomboza Yaya. Don't forget, you can always call in. You can still reserve a table, actually. And a table is 700K. Sente
come
si
with
nyingi
friends.
nnyo.
Yes, mubanga mubeera ko banga bantu bameka ne mweyagala, and then there is also VIP ticket, that's 150K.
150.
Noingira, and then you have the whole feel of yaya, and then muchibira, the whole thing as you get to Womba, and then 50K ordinary. So if you have any questions, the number is 0764 172077.
And with Yaya, one thing I will tell you, amanya abasoma batandise okukomawo. Yaya is the only place you will go from your sleep and find Luwombo ready.
Luwombo.
And not just Luwombo, but very soft meat. I don't know how
healthy.
they do it. Like with that soup, Ali. I now actually take like if you want something to eat, come to Yaya.
Come to Yaya. You're gonna love it. So I'd say what privacy.
Yeah.
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 Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.